Now in this video we will discuss some word problems based on quadratic equations. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the numbers. Let the smaller number be x and the larger number be y. According to question, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Larger number square minus smaller number square is equal to 180. This is 1. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. X square is equal to 8 times of y. This is second equation. From equation 1 and 2 we can substitute x square by 8y. Y square minus 8y is equal to 180 implies y square minus 8y minus 180 is equal to 0. Now by splitting middle term we factorize this. So y minus 18y plus 10y minus 180 is equal to 0. Y square minus 18y plus 10y minus 180 is equal to 0. Taking y common, y minus 18, taking 10 common, y minus 18 is equal to 0. Now from these two we get y minus 18 common factor, y minus 18 a common factor and y plus 10 is the other factor. This is equal to 0. Thus either y minus 18 is equal to 0 implies y is equal to 18, or y plus 10 is equal to 0 implies y is equal to minus 10. If y is equal to 18, then x square is equal to 8 times of y, or x square is equal to 8 into 18, that is 144. So x is equal to 12. So number may be 12 or 18. Y is equal to minus 10 is discarded because x square is equal to 8y, and if we take y is equal to minus 10 then x square can't be negative. So if y is 18 then x square is equal to 8y implies x square is equal to 8 into 18, further implies x square is equal to 144, which further implies that x is equal to plus minus 12. So the numbers are 18 and 12 or 18 and minus 12. Now in this question, a motorboat whose speed in still water is 18 km per hour takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream, then to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Let speed of stream be x, then speed upstream is 18 minus x and speed downstream is 18 plus x. We know time is equal to distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed, and the boat is taking 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. So time difference is 1 hour in going upstream and returning back. As in going upstream it takes more time, so 24 upon speed upstream 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x is equal to 1 hour. Implies 18 minus x into 18 plus x, so this is 24 into 18 plus x minus 24, 18 minus x is equal to 1. It further implies we can take this 24 common, 18 plus x minus 18 plus x upon 18 minus x into 18 plus x is equal to 1. It implies that 24 into twice of x, the 48x is equal to a minus b into a plus b, that is a square, 324 minus x square, which further implies that x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. Now we split the middle term and factorize it. So x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 is equal to 0. It implies taking x common, x plus 54 minus taking 6 common, x plus dividing this by 6. It further implies that x plus 54 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. So either x plus 54 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 54. As the speed can't be negative, so this value of speed is discarded, or x minus 6 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 6. Thus, the speed of a stream is 6 km per hour. In this question, the sum of ages of a man and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 4 times the man's age at that time. Find their present ages. Let present age of men be x, then present age of sun is 45 minus x. 5 years ago, man was x minus 5 years and sun was 45 minus x minus 5, that is 40 minus x years. According to question, five years ago, the product of the races, that is x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 4 times the men's age at that time, 4 times of x minus 5. Simplifying it, this is 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x is equal to 4x minus 20, or minus x square plus 41x minus 180 is equal to 0. On transposing, 4x is subtracted, so 45 minus 4x, that is 41x positive, and minus 200 plus 20, that is minus 180, implies dividing both the sides by minus 1. So x square minus 41x plus 180 is equal to 0. Now, as the product of A and C is 180 and sum is 41. Now, splitting the middle term, x square minus 36x minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 36 minus 5 x minus 36 is equal to 0. Implies x minus 36 taking common factor and x minus 5 is equal to 0, which further imply, or we can say either x minus 36 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 36, or x minus 5 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 5. So this value is discarded because man's value is greater than the sun. Therefore, man is 36, man's age 36 years and sun says 45 minus x is equal to 45 minus x is equal to 45 minus 36, and that is 9 years. So man says 36 years and sun says is 9 years.